Okay, this a lens. Yeah, you have the lens. You have a lot of type, but the main one you have two only. This one, it's thicker in the middle. This type of lens is called convex lens, also called positive. Yeah, again. Then you have this thing. This type is called concave lens, which is negative. Okay, concave lens. Most of the spectacles for young people is concave or negative. Yeah. Are you using spectacles? Wow, so good. Contact lens, no. Oh, very good. It's very, very seldom.
Mm.
In your class, anybody else?
Yeah, no, other people also.
Yeah, other people's. During my time, one whole class, like 40 students, only two use spectacles. The rest never use, don't have. Now, if you go to your class is how many people?
30.
Is it half use? More than half, right? Almost everyone. Almost everyone.
Maybe like, yeah, maybe like 3/4, 2/3, 2/3.
Okay. Wow, that is, but you don't use spectacles. Very good. Okay. You use, okay, for young people, usually when they use concave lens is because they cannot see far. Yeah. If you open the spectacles, you can see maybe maximum 2 meter, 1 meter. It doesn't mean that they cannot see further. They can see further, but blur. Yeah. Okay, that is concave. Convex lens are usually for old people. Is a bit strange for convex. Means these old people can see far away object, but they cannot see something that is near. So if they read something, if they read newspaper or something like magazine, they put the thing further away. Yeah. Now this convex lens have a tendency to merge light. Okay. First of all, you have a lens here. Okay. And this point is called center of lens. Yeah. Then you have an imaginary line like this. This thing is called, this line is perpendicular to the lens. Yeah. This line here is called something. Principal axis. That line is imaginary, not real. Yeah, you have a lens, then pass through the center of that lens is the thing. Yeah, the principal axis. Okay. Then here on the principal axis, you have focal point here. The distance here from focal point to the left, lens to focal point on the left and the right are the same. Yeah. Okay. as I mentioned, this one, the convex lens have a tendency to merge the line into a point. And that point is the focal point on the principal axis, yeah? And so on, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what else? Okay. Then it's like this. The light, if you have a light, yeah, you have 4 types of light that you must be able to draw. Number 1 here is, yeah, just now I mentioned here, 1 is parallel to principal axis. This is principal axis. Number 1 here is parallel to principal axis, yeah. Then on the other side, it will pass focal point. Yeah. This is the first type. The second type is the reverse of number 1. Yeah. You have it pass through focal point first. Number 2, pass F. Then parallel to principal axis. Yeah.
Yeah.
The third one is the easiest one. Pass through center of line. Then the third one is the easiest. It doesn't bend at all. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now these are special one. What if there is a light pass through the lens and it's not parallel to principal axis, doesn't pass F, and doesn't pass center of lens? It's totally random, and it passes through. Then they ask you to draw. How to do? That's the most difficult one. Yeah. This is principal axis. This is totally random here. Let's say focal point is here, then random like that. Totally random here. Yeah. Then what to do? This is number 4. Number 4, random direction. Then what must you do? You must draw. This one is slant axis. Parallel to light. Understand? You have a light. You must draw something that is parallel to light and also pass center of lens. Yeah. Then you call it slant axis. Then you draw point F prime. What is F prime? F prime is above or below the F. But must be on the slant axis. Then the next step is easy. Pass to F prime. Okay. Can?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So you have 4 light that pass through, what do you call it? 4 light that pass through lens, convex lens. Yeah. Okay. Now, how to draw an image image means image means if it is real image, the light is spreading out from object, and a lot of this light is merging back to another point. Then this point is called image. Understand? So the key here is, for example, like this. You have, like this is object. Object, then you have the object release thousands of lights here. Some goes here, some goes here, some goes here. Okay. Then, if somehow, let's say this is not real. A lot of this light is merging here to a point. Okay. The light spread out, then it merged back to one point. And that point, you call it image. It doesn't have to be everything. Like you lose some of this thing spread out anywhere now. It doesn't go to the image. Yeah. This image is called something real image. And you can see it on the screen. That means you put the screen there, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Later, I'll try to find the, oh, I think I have it here. Oh, I have. Let me find. I think I might, oh, this one. Okay, let me see. See whether I can get the image of you. Wait, this is this computer screen. Wait, let me see. Wow, cannot see. It's not clear. Wow, cannot. Okay. I'll try to get your face. No, cannot. It's too blur already. But if you can do it. You have like magnifying glass at home? No. Okay, never mind. I'll try. Maybe I make a video out of it. Yeah, then send you. Is a very important. Okay, so this is a real image. Yeah, capture on a screen. Virtual image is like this. Let's say you have an object here, and light are spreading everywhere. This is the object. Then this is the eyes. Yeah. Okay. Then the light goes and bend. Then it follow a line. Understand? This light go and bend. This light go and bend here. Like this. Yeah. Now you see here. Okay, I draw thicker here. Wait. I draw thicker here using the black one. Yeah. Like this, right? Okay. Then you draw dotted lines. The dotted lines, let's say I use red. These dotted lines. That means if you trace back each of these light is as if it is coming from this point here. This point is called virtual image. You understand? We number the light. We number the light. This is light number 1, 2, 3. This is the eyes, yeah. 3, 4, 5. The light 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is as if it is coming from point A prime here. Yeah. Wait. This is point A, this is A prime. And A prime is called virtual image. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is similar to real image, but is you pull it backwards. You draw dotted line backwards. Yeah. Then you get virtual image. Real image is from the thing itself. Yeah. Okay. Then how do you draw the image? How do you draw the image? You use minimum 2 light just to find the image here. Yeah. This is light number 2. This is number 3. This is number 1. Correct. Sorry. This is number 3. This is number 2. Number 2 is pass through focal point first, then parallel. Number 3 is pass through center of lens. Then you find the image here. Yeah. Okay. Can visualize. This is number 2. This is number 3. Yeah. Then you get the image here. The image here is real because you don't draw them backwards here. Yeah. This one also. This is number 1. This is number 3. See, parallel first, then pass through focal point, and this thing. Then you get the image here. Yeah. Okay. So this one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. We try. Wait. Let me find some graph paper first. Wait, where's the graph paper? This one. Oh. Okay. Wait, where do we draw? We draw it up there. Okay. This one. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we try drawing here. This is the principal axis,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the lens. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. The focal point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Yeah. So this is there. This is there. Then we draw to F. Okay. Then we shift a bit. Good. Duplicate here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then this is to F. Okay. And wait. Okay. Hey, how come it's like that? Okay. Okay. So we have this point here. Call it point A here. Try.
Mm-hmm.
Go. Ah,
So draw the 3 lines again.
yeah. Draw the lines. Draw the lines and find the what do you call it? Image of this. Try. Using the three special light. Yeah. Try. I'll check something. You know how to draw, right? Okay. No line. Pass through center. Pass through this point here. Shoot like that. Understand?
Okay.
Then the other one is pass through F, then straight horizontal like that. Okay. Okay. This week, I think you need to print. Let me see. You need to print the paper. Yeah. Otherwise, you cannot draw. Okay. I send you the PDF now. Yeah.
Okay.
Print and later draw there. Yeah, and take picture. Take picture to send to me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, graph paper at home.
Yes.
Like that. Correct. Yeah. Wow. It's good. Yeah. It's good. Okay. How? Oh, I send you. I doesn't pass through F. Must pass through F. Okay. This one also doesn't pass through F. Means this one. Because if it pass through F, it will merge here. If it pass through F also, it will merge here. Yeah.